40 English-Tagalog phrases for speaking practice.
Nabasa ako ng ulan. I got caught in the rain. Nabasa ako ng ulan. I got caught in the rain. Hatiin natin. Let's split it up. Hatiin natin. Let's split it up. Gaano katagal kang tinrangkaso? How long have you had the flu? Gaano katagal kang tinrangkaso? How long have you had the flu? Kapag nakasalubong ko siya, sasabihin kong hinahanap mo siya. If I run into him, I'll tell him that you're looking for him. Kapag nakasalubong ko siya, sasabihin kong hinahanap mo siya. If I run into him, I'll tell him that you're looking for him. Sira ang elevator. The elevator is out of service. Sira ang elevator. The elevator is out of service. Sorry, hindi ko nakuha yung sinabi mo. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, hindi ko nakuha yung sinabi mo. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Maghapon akong nakahiga. I spent all day in bed. Maghapon akong nakahiga. I spent all day in bed. Kinansel namin ang party. We called off the party. Kinansel namin ang party. We called off the party. Kung gusto mong umasenso, kailangan mong magsikap. If you want to get ahead, you have to work hard. Kung gusto mong umasenso, kailangan mong magsikap. If you want to get ahead, you have to work hard. Nasa kaliwa mo. It's on your left. Nasa kaliwa mo. It's on your left. Nabalitaan mo na ba? Have you heard the news? Nabalitaan mo na ba? Have you heard the news? Pa-picture tayo rito. Let's take a picture here. Pa-picture tayo rito. Let's take a picture here. Kailan ka pwede? When are you free? Kailan ka pwede? When are you free? Sana umaraw. I hope the sun comes up. Sana umaraw. I hope the sun comes up. Buhatin mo yan at dalhin mo sa kusina. Pick it up and carry it to the kitchen. Buhatin mo yan at dalhin mo sa kusina. Pick it up and carry it to the kitchen. Walang nagsabi sa akin. Nobody told me. Walang nagsabi sa akin. Nobody told me. Susuportahan kita kahit anong mangyari. I'll back you up no matter what. Susuportahan kita kahit anong mangyari. I'll back you up no matter what. Wala tayong magagawa dyan sa ngayon. There isn't much we can do about it now. Wala tayong magagawa dyan sa ngayon. There isn't much we can do about it now. Baka nahihiya siya. Maybe he's shy. Baka nahihiya siya. Maybe he's shy. Anong opinion mo dito? What's your opinion on this? Anong opinion mo dito? What's your opinion on this? Pinakain ko na ang aso. I already fed the dog. Pinakain ko na ang aso. I already fed the dog. Mahilig ako sa Japanese food, lalo na sa ramen. I love Japanese food, especially ramen. Mahilig ako sa Japanese food, lalo na sa ramen. I love Japanese food, especially ramen. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Have courage. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Have courage. Pahingi naman ng resibo. Please give me a receipt. Pahingi naman ng resibo. Please give me a receipt. Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Bohol? Did you have a good time in Bohol? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Bohol? Did you have a good time in Bohol? Bihira akong magkasakit. I rarely get sick. Bihira akong magkasakit. I rarely get sick. Anong kailangan kong dalhin? What do I need to bring with me? Anong kailangan kong dalhin? What do I need to bring with me? Huwag kang umalis. Don't leave. Huwag kang umalis. Don't leave. Huwag mong damdamin yon. Don't take it to heart. Huwag mong damdamin yon. Don't take it to heart. Naghugas ka ba ng kamay? Did you wash your hands? Naghugas ka ba ng kamay? Did you wash your hands? Kaninong kasalanan yon? Whose fault is it then? Kaninong kasalanan yon? Whose fault is it then? Ano-ano ang mga pagpipilian? What are the options? Ano-ano ang mga pagpipilian? What are the options? Ganon pa rin. Same as always. Ganon pa rin. Same as always. May kilala akong nakarating na ron. I know someone who's been there. May kilala akong nakarating na ron. I know someone who's been there. Pwede bang tumigil ka na? Will you please stop? Pwede bang tumigil ka na? Will you please stop? Hindi kita narinig pumasok. I didn't hear you come in. Hindi kita narinig pumasok. I didn't hear you come in. Itanong mo sa akin mamaya. Ask me about it later. Itanong mo sa akin mamaya. Ask me about it later. Imposibleng makalibot sa city na to nang walang sasakyan. It's impossible to get around this city without a car. Imposibleng makalibot sa city na to nang walang sasakyan. It's impossible to get around this city without a car. Magaling gumawa ng kotse ang tito ko. My uncle is an expert at fixing cars. Magaling gumawa ng kotse ang tito ko. My uncle is an expert at fixing cars. Naaalala mo ba yung parol na nakita natin kahapon? Do you remember the lantern that we saw yesterday? Naaalala mo ba yung parol na nakita natin kahapon? Do you remember the lantern that we saw yesterday?